6 terms of an AP is 42. The ratio of its 10th term to its 30th term is 1:3. Calculate the first and 13th term of the AP. See, sum of first 6 terms of an AP is 42. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find Sn. So Sn, it is first 6 term, S6, okay, equal to 6 upon 2, 2a n minus 1 into, at the place of n we will put 6 into d. We don't know a and d. Okay, we will find a and d. Okay, S6 equal to 42. It is 3. Then 3, 2a plus 5d. Take it 3 downside. It is 2a plus 5d. This is 14. 3 1 ja 3. Means 2a plus 5d equal to 14. This is the first equation. Then second, next condition, the ratio of its 10th term. Second condition, ratio, second condition, ratio of 10th term to its 30th term equal to 1:3, means 1 upon 3. This is a plus 10 minus 1, a plus n minus 1 into d. It is a plus 30 n minus 1 into d. We don't know d and a, so we'll write a and d only. A plus 9d upon a plus 29d, 1 upon 3. Cross multiplication, 3 into a plus 9d equal to, multiply by a, then it will be same, a plus 29d, 3a plus 27d equal to a plus 29d, 3a minus a plus 27d minus 29d equal to 0, 2a plus minus 2d equal to 0. It is equation number 2. Now solve equation first and second. First, 2a plus 5d equal to 14. Then second, 2a minus 2d equal to 0. Now dear students, change the sign, minus plus minus, this cancel. 7d equal to 14, d equal to 14 upon 7, 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja equal to 2. Put the value of d, in equation 2. 2a minus 2d equal to 0. 2a minus 2 into 2 equal to 0. 2a minus 4 equal to 0. 2a equal to 4. A equal to 4 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2. A and D both are 2 2. Then we have to calculate the first and 13th term of the AP. First term is 2 and 13th term, Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. First we will write the formula. T13 equal to a at the place of a 2 plus 13 minus 1 into d2. 2 plus 12 into 2. 2 plus 24 equal to 26. This is the answer. Okay. Now question number 9. In an AP if the 12th term is 13, the sum of its first 4 terms is 24. Find the sum of 10 terms. So let first term be, let first term of an AP be a and common difference B D. Okay, then it is asked in an AP if the 12th term is minus 13. 12th term is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. 12th term T12 equal to a plus 12 minus 1 into D. It is minus 13 equal to a plus 11D. So a plus 11D equal to minus 13. It is equation number 1. Then what is the second condition? And sum of its first four terms is 24. Means second condition sum of its 4 terms equal to 24. Then Sn, first we'll write formula. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is 24 equal to 4th term. At the place of n 4, put 2a plus 4 minus 1 into D. This cancel to 2 the. Then 24, this 2 will come downside. Then 2a plus 3d 12. Then 2a plus 3d equal to 12. Equation number 2. So we'll solve. For solving, we'll multiply equation 1 into 2. Then 2a plus 22d equal to minus 26. Now equation number 3. Now we'll solve equation number 2 and 3. We'll solve equation number 2 and 3. Solve equation 2 and 3. Then 2a plus 3d equal to 12. 2a plus 22d equal to minus 26. Then change the sign. Okay, why? Because same sign was there, we have to cancel, so change the sign. It is minus 19d, it is minus plus 38. Okay, d equal to 38 upon minus 19. 19 1 za, 19 2 za, it is minus 2. Put the value of d in equation 1. Equation number 2 we can say, no problem. Equation number 2 or 1, same answer you will get, either 1 or 2. It is 2a plus 3d equal to 12. At the place of d, we will put 3 into minus 2 equal to 12. 2a minus 6 equal to 12. 2a equal to 12 plus 6 equal to 18. Then a equal to 18 upon 2. 2 1 za, 2 9 za, it is 9. A equal to 9. Now dear student, we have to find sum of first 10 terms. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll use formula first. We'll write formula first. Then we'll put the value of a. Sn equal to s, 10 equal to n n means 10 upon 2. It is 2, a means 9 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 2. It 2 5s are, yes, 18 plus 9 into minus 2. It is 18 minus 18. Then sum of 10, first 10 numbers is equal to 0, as 10 equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer.